Welcome, guys, to the new series and the first episode of how we remodel and build a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. This is the new series where we're going to show you how we're going to remodel one part of this building, that is this one here, and then we're going to add a new part, a new building that is going to be here, where it was the parking lot and the social area. And we're going to convert this old building in a brand new hotel with 49 rooms here in Miami Beach. We already start demolition inside, tearing down all the walls and the ceiling and everything inside the part that is going to remain. And now today we start with the outside demolition to give space, start installing the piles to do the new addition that is gonna get this hotel new life. It's gonna get better room capacity. It's gonna have 49 rooms at the end with a rooftop. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more update on how we build this 49 room hotel in Miami. Thanks for watching.